everyone! Today we're learning how to use shape tools like rectangles, ellipse, and star in Figma to create scalable and high quality vector graphics. Unlike pixel-based images like JPEGs or PNGs, these never lose clarity. It's perfect for designing icons, buttons, or logos. We'll draw famous logos like Mercedes, Instagram, and more. Ready? Let's get started. As always, you can grab the starter file from the link in the description and follow along. Let's start with the Mercedes logo. We'll use two shapes, an ellipse and a star. Select the ellipse tool from the toolbar or press O for the shortcut. Click and drag while holding Shift to draw a perfect circle. In the design panel, lock the aspect ratio and set the size to 450. Now add a stroke. I think 12 pixels is good for the thickness. And remove the fill. Let's zoom in. Perfect. Next, select the star tool. Hold Shift and Option or Alt on Windows to draw a star from the center. Hover over a corner to see the point count. Then, click and drag down to set it to 3. You can also adjust the ratio. Let's set it to 15%. In the design panel, lock the aspect ratio and set the width to 450. Now select both and use the alignment tools to center them horizontally and vertically. Let's change the color to black and we're done with the Mercedes logo. Nice. Next, let's draw the channel logo. We'll use the ellipse tool to create two C shapes. Select the ellipse tool, hold Shift, and draw a perfect circle. Lock the aspect ratio and set the size to 450. Then set the fill color to black, hover over the circle, and you'll see the arc icon. Change the arc to 83% and adjust the start point. Now set the ratio to 67% to form the first C shape. Nice. Hit the Command or Control D to duplicate it. In the design panel, flip the second C horizontally, then move it to the left so they interlock. Perfect. Now let's draw the Instagram logo using the rectangle and ellipse tools. Select the rectangle tool, hold Shift and Option or Alt to draw a square from the center. Lock the aspect ratio and set the size to 450. Let's change the corner radius to around 130. Instead of removing the fill and adding a stroke, let's press Shift X to swap the fill and stroke. Set the stroke to 45 and the color to black. Now hit Command or Control D to duplicate the square. Hold Shift and Option to make it smaller from the center. Nice. See, with the large corner radius, it looks like a circle. Now press O to select the ellipse tool and draw a small circle. Press I for eyedropper and pick the color. And that's the Instagram logo. Great. Finally, let's draw the X logo using rectangles. You might think the line tool is better for this one, but let's see why it isn't. With the line tool, you can only set the stroke ends to round or square, and you can change the angle. So we'll use rectangle. Press R to select the rectangle tool and draw one. Set the width to 35 and the height to 425. Now double click the rectangle, then hold Shift, click the two bottom dots to select both and drag them to the left to create a diagonal shape and change the color to black. Now draw another rectangle. Set the width to 120 and height to 425. Double click, then hold Shift, click the two bottom dots to select both and drag them to the right. Let's set the fill color to white and add a stroke. 27 pixels works well. And that's the X logo. Awesome. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, elevate and create.